Welcome, dear children. Here actually we have come with a geography lesson, but actually it is not lesson. We are going to visit a field, that is a field visit topic. On that, because of this field visit, you have this lesson continues in your 9th standard also, as well as in your 10th standard also. So let's study about what field visit it is. But before that, we will visit a sugar cane or sugar industry. Okay, so today we are going to visit a sugar industry, and after that, what you have to, after watching this video, you have to make a questionnaire, okay, on this topic, that is visiting a sugarcane industry. So you will make a questionnaire, prepare a questionnaire of 20 questions. So let's start with the field visit of sugarcane industry. Okay, so let's start. Okay, here you could see now a farmer, correct? He is now sowing, that is plantation, sugarcane plantation. Visit, that is what, from where we get sugar and jaggery. Sugar and jaggery we get it from sugarcane. You know sugarcane. Okay, sugarcane, how it is planted. This is the ancient method of plantation of sugar, and now this is the modern method of sugarcane plantation. You could see how the farmer is planting. Now after 1 month you will find the growth of this sugarcane, correct, and 2 months later on you'll find how it is growing. After that the field is ready and then irrigated. Irrigation is done with the help of sprinkler irrigation. You could see, so beautiful irrigation for the sugarcane. As is, it gets matured and the flowering stage of the sugarcane, further now it is ready to harvest. Now how the farmers, they harvest the sugarcane, okay, and keep it aside, which is ready to go. See, harvesting means they are cutting the mature sugarcane, okay, and enjoying the work also by harvesting it, okay. And now the sugarcane is ready to go to the sugarcane factory, that is sugar industry. Let's study further how this is being transported through trucks. A interview is there with the farmer. You can meet the farmer also. Now this interview I haven't shown you here, but how the farmer work hard to produce this sugarcane. Further the sugarcane is transported into the sugar industry. It is been crushed, broken down into small pieces. Sugarcane is broken down into small pieces, okay, and then it is sent for crushing. Okay, further it is been washed thoroughly with the jet of water, and then passed through a crushing machine. Crush, you know, keys, no, that way it is been crushed and passed through a conveyor belt. This conveyor belt takes this crush to the pressing machine. This machine presses. Have seen the sugarcane juice machine, correct? So it is being pressed and the sugarcane juice is extracted out from this machine. Two drums are made to roll. Now from that, this extraction, the juice and the bagasse, now this is called as the bagasse, it is been separated out. Sometime it has to be operated, judged by the workers, okay. It is been collected in a tank, okay. It is crushed and the juice is extracted. Sugarcane is crushed, juice is extracted. Further it is sent into the laboratory for noting down the density as well as the amount of sugar present in it. So this juice is sent into the laboratory. Further, it is being poured into the calorimeter. See this calorimeter machine. It helps to find the percentage of sugar present in that juice. Further, the large tank, the juice is being passed into the large tank, and then sulfur dioxide gas is passed through this juice. You see, after sulfur dioxide gas which is passed through this juice, that juice becomes thickened, okay, and then calcium carbonate, that is a lime chuna you say, it is added to that juice, okay. This lime is added further, and for 20 hours that lime goes on mixing with the juice of sugar. Now what this lime is doing, it is removing out the unwanted things from the juice, sugar juice. So whatever is, after mixing this lime, you could find the sugarcane juice has turned into yellow in color. From brown it turned into yellow in color. Further, it is been again passed to a sediment chamber. Sediment chamber you could see. Now this will help to note down how much amount of sediment is present in that juice. So sediment will settle down because of calcium carbonate, as well as pure juice will come out. This sediment is being filtered, okay. See, sediment is being filtered with the help of a machine, and then the bagasse and this sediment is being taken for further process that can be used for fertilizer, as well as bagasse is used for production of ethanol. Now it is being passed to a huge machine, okay. This chamber helps boiling. It is a boiling chamber. The sugar juice or sugarcane juice is being boiled and thickened. That means its moisture content is made to, the percentage of moisture content is made to low. You will find after boiling there is a foam is formed on that. That foam is removed out because in that foam there are lots of impurities. After boiling you could find it becomes like a honey. Could see it thickens. As it is thickened, afterwards in that juice sucrose molecule is added. Sucrose is also a type of sugar. It helps that juice to become crystalline. It helps the sugarcane juice to get crystalline, and then this mixture keeps on mixing with each other and boiling. Now this man is testing. What he is testing, that how much crystal is being formed of that sugar juice with the help of sucrose molecule. Okay, this sucrose helps for crystallization. Further, those whole thing, whatever mixture is passed into a dryer. Could see a dryer, it is same like our washing machine. Juice is passed into the dryer. This dryer helps to lower down the moisture content and helps in the formation of grains. Sugar is formed into the grain, and then further, see, after drying, and then it is been bleached. That sugar particles, crystals are bleached, and a proper crystal, you could see a proper crystal of sugar is formed from the sugar juice. So you have seen how the sugar is produced from the field to the factory. Further, now as per the size of the grain of sugar, as we require, that way the size comes out from this machine, okay, and collected and tested. Okay, you could see it is in the form of powder. Further, its moisture is being detected, and then it is formed into the crystal molecules. One is bleached properly and the other one is having some impurities of sugarcane in it. Further, it is being rolled, and then according to the required size it comes out from this machine. Gradation takes place, you know gradation, okay. Fine particles, large particles, they are separated out, packed into large machine and bags. Now this bag they have shown it contains 3000 kg of sugar. One bag contains 3000 kg of sugar. Further, as per the requirement, 2 kgs, 5 kgs bag are packed, and then it is being passed to our home or into the shop. Okay.